How to fix gallery video not playing. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy fix on how you can easily solve gallery video not playing. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your gallery and check if the videos are playing. I'm just going to tap on a random video and see if it's playing or not. And if the video is not playing, then in that case, what you can do is simply go ahead and open settings. Scroll down until you find the app settings. On your app settings, just go ahead and search for gallery and then tap on gallery option. Then go to its storage, clear cache, because sometimes the cache memory will be stored up and it might be causing the issue. Then go to permissions and make sure all of these permissions are allowed. After that, go to battery uses and then make sure you set this to unrestricted or optimized. And finally, just go back again, tap on the three lines at the top right, and then from here, reset app preferences. It will reset all of your preferences for disabled apps, notification restrictions for the apps, as well as your default apps. Once you have done that, just go back and then give your device a quick restart. And after doing so, your problem should be fixed. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.